Now question number 4 from practice set 4.3. So question number 4 is solve the following equations. Solve the following equations means you have to find out the value of x. So what is given? X square plus 12x minus 20 upon 3x minus 5 equal to x square plus 8x plus 12 upon 2x plus 3. Here you have to find out the value of x. So x square plus 12x minus 20 upon 3x minus 5 equal to x square plus 8x plus 12 upon 2x plus 8 is given. Okay. Now students, try to convert this 3x into 12x and this 5 into 20. So how will you change? If you multiply both sides by 1 upon 4. So multiplying both sides by 1 upon 4. So 1 upon 4 into x square plus 12x minus 20 upon 3x minus 5 equal to 1 upon 4 into x square plus 8x plus 12 upon 2x plus 3. So multiplying by 1 upon 4. So your answer is x square plus 12x minus 20. 1 into this is means x square plus 12x minus 20 and 4 into 3x is 12x and 4 into minus 5 is minus 20. Same 1 into x square plus 8x plus 12 is x square plus 8x plus 12 and 4 into 2x plus 3 means 4 2s are 8, 8x plus 4 3s are 12. So x square plus 12x minus 20 upon 12x minus 20 equal to x square plus 8x plus 12 upon 8x plus 12. Students, now here try to cancel maximum number of terms. So how will you cancel? So use dividendo property. So by dividendo means if a upon b equal to c upon d, then by dividendo property a minus b upon b equal to c minus d upon d. Now this is your a, this is your b, this is your c and this is your d. So a minus b upon b equal to c minus d upon d. So x square plus 12x minus 20 minus 12x minus 20 upon 12x minus 20 equal to x square plus 8x plus 12 minus 8x plus 12 upon 8x plus 12. A minus b upon b equal to c minus d upon d by dividendo property. Now open this bracket. So x square plus 12x minus 20 minus 12x and minus is plus 20 upon 12x minus 20. Then here also open this bracket. X square plus 8x plus 12 minus 8x and minus plus is minus 12 upon 8x plus 12 upon 8x plus 12. Now x square plus 12x minus 12x is cancelled. Same minus 20 plus 20 is also cancelled, means 0. So x square upon 12x minus 20. Same here, x square 8x minus 8x is 0 and 12 minus 12 is 0. So x square upon 8x plus 12. So x square upon 12x minus 20 equal to x square upon 8x plus 12. Now for x equal to 0, the equation is evidently satisfied if you substitute the value of x equal to 0 here and here. So LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, now for x equal to 0, the equation is evidently satisfied. Therefore, x equal to 0 is one of the solution. Your first solution is x equal to 0 is one of the solution. But when x is not equal to 0, then x square is also not equal to 0. When x is not equal to 0, then x square is also not equal to 0. So dividing by x square, dividing by x square. So therefore, 1 upon 12x minus 20 equal to 1 upon 8x plus 12. 1 upon 12x minus 20 equal to 1 upon 8x plus 12 dividing by x square. Now simple cross multiplication. So 12x minus 20. 12x minus 20 into 1 is 12x minus 20 equal to 1 into 8x plus 12 is 8x plus 12. Now simple transposition. 12x minus 8x equal to 12 plus 20. 12x minus 8x equal to 12 plus 20. So 12x minus 8x is 4x. 4x equal to 12 plus 20 is 32. So 4x is equal to 32. Therefore, x equal to 32 upon 4 is 8. X is equal to 8. Therefore, x equal to 0 or x equal to 8 is solution of the given equation. Now, second sub question. 10x square plus 15x plus 63 upon 5x square minus 25x plus 12 equal to 2x plus 3 upon x minus 5. Again, you have to find out the value of x. So 10x square plus 15x plus 63 upon 5x square minus 25x plus 12 equal to 2x plus 3 upon x minus 5 is given. So if x equal to 0, then we get 63 upon 12 equal to 3 upon minus 5. So when x equal to 0, we get 63 upon 12 is equal to 3 upon minus 5, which is absurd. Therefore, x is not equal to 0. Therefore, x is not equal to 0. So, x is not equal to 0 means 10x square plus 15x plus 63 upon 2x plus 3 equal to 5x square minus 25x plus 12 upon x minus 5. Use alternando. Use alternando. So 10x square plus 15x plus 63 by alternando property 10x square plus 15x plus 63 upon 2x plus 3 equal to 5x square minus 25x plus 12 upon x minus 5, and this is use your alternando property. Now change this 2x into 10x square and try to change it 3 into 15x. So multiplying by 1 upon 5x, multiplying by 1 upon 5x. So 1 upon 5x into 10x square plus 15x plus 63 upon 2x plus 3 equal to 1 upon 5x into 5x square minus 25x plus 12 upon x minus 5. So 1 into 10x square plus 15x plus 63 is 10x square plus 15x plus 63 upon 5x into 2x is 10x square plus 5x into 3 is 15x equal to 1 into 5x square minus 25x plus 12 is 5x square minus 25x plus 12, and 5x into x is 5x square minus 5x into 5 is 25x. So 5x square minus 25x. Again which property? Again by dividendo. Try to cancel maximum number of terms. So use here property dividendo. And what is dividendo? Now this is your A, B, C and D, and dividendo is A minus B upon B equal to C minus D upon D by dividendo property. So 10x square plus 15x plus 63 minus 10x square plus 15x upon 10x square plus 15x equal to 5x square minus 25x plus 12 minus 5x square minus 25x upon 5x square minus 25x by dividendo property. Now open this bracket. So 10x square plus 15x plus 63 minus 10x square and minus plus is minus 15x upon 10x square plus 15x equal to, open this bracket also, 5x square minus 25x plus 12 minus 5x square and minus is plus 25x upon 5x square minus 25x. So 63 upon 10x square plus 15x, because 10x square minus 10x square is 0 and 15x minus 15x is 0. So 63 upon 10x square plus 15x equal to, same here, 5x square minus 5x square is 0 and minus 25x plus 25x is also 0. Therefore 12 upon 5x square minus 25x, 12 upon 5x square minus 25x. So 63 upon, now take both are multiples of 5 and take 1x common. So 63 upon 5x and in bracket 2x plus 3, because 5 2s are 5x into 2x is 10x square plus 5x into 3 is 15x. So 5x into 2x plus 3 equal to 12 upon, here also take 5x common. So 5x into x minus 5. Now cancel 5x from both sides. So 63 upon 2x plus 3 equal to 12 upon x minus 5. 12 upon x minus 5. Now 63 into x minus 5 equal to 12 into 2x plus 3 and open brackets. So 63x minus 315 equal to 24x plus 36. So 63x minus 24x equal to 36 plus 315, simple transposition. Now 63x minus 24x is 39x. So 39x equal to 36 plus 315 is 351 equal to 351. Therefore x equal to 351 upon 39. 351 upon 39. Therefore x is equal to 9. Therefore x equal to 9 is the solution of given equation.